What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching my last videos that did pop up. I know it's been about 2 days since I've made a video, and I needed that, and hopefully you guys understand, and hopefully you guys understand that the content that I'm trying to create nowadays is better than I was making before. I don't want to put content out there that you're not going to watch. So today is going to be a very busy day, so it's going to be a long video, and I'm not sure if I'm going to finish all my orders today, but I will try to get most of them out. I have about 50, 60 orders on Amazon. I have about 10, 15 on eBay, so it's going to be a busy day, and I just want to say thank you all for the very sweet comments that you've been putting on my videos in the last couple of days. I really love it, and if I can't get back to all of them right now, I'm sorry. I've just been super busy the last 2 days, and I also need a little break, so I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Comment down below. The feedback helps a lot, so that any sort of feedback, please comment down below. And yeah, so let's get to the video. Let's get started. It is hot. If I look like I'm sweating, it's because I am. It is very hot out right now. I'm in San Diego, and we're definitely having a warm front right now. I really want to be surfing right now, but we got work to do, baby. Let's get work done, and then maybe we can do that at some point. So let's get started. I'll see you guys in a bit. So I'm thinking the first thing that I'm gonna do is get the cut files ready on Cricut, get those out. So yeah, we'll just start with the Cricut files, and then we will print and cut. That took forever. I just literally finished, as you could see. I did want to bring something up to you guys. So I've been trying to figure out how to make the Cricut process quicker, to find files and rename them quicker. I did find a software that is completely free from what I know. I've been using it. I'm not affiliated with them, but I will show you right now. All right, so I downloaded this app. I was a little nervous. It was on the internet. It's called Refo. And basically, yeah, it's, from what I know, it's free, and I just drag and drop my files in here and it renames it with AI. Please don't bash me if it ends up not being free, but from what I know, from what I've been using, I've done like 800 files just renaming. So, and it has worked. So give it a shot. Also, if there's a place to write a message, just be like, hey, listen, Nick the Entrepreneur sent me here. I don't know, maybe I can get affiliate with them, and then I can add that to my income. I don't know, but it's been working really well, and they've been making really accurate file names. So check it out if you need to use something like this. Anyways, let's start printing out these files. I got them all ready to go. I gotta print these out in my printer and then cut them, and then I'll have stickers, and then we're gonna print out the envelopes, get it out to the customers, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. As I'm just finishing up these orders, guys, you know that I just did these. I got a notification that yesterday, which I got today, I got an order on Coastal Cowboys, my first order. So if your name is Paul, thank you, Paul. I appreciate you, brother. Pretty stoked. I'm really excited to see where this goes. So thank you so much. And yeah, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm super pumped. So in saying that, if anyone wants one, he actually just ordered the green. So if anyone is interested, the links will be in the bio if you do want a hat. So just let me know. All right, guys, so hat order is done. Like I said, I don't know if it was you guys or one of the subscribers, but thank you so much. Super pumped. This is my first true order, totally organic, so super stoked. Hopefully that starts to snowball. I am gonna start to post more, so hopefully we can start rolling in some more sales with this and then showing you income on these. So this will be shown tomorrow in tomorrow's income, so subscribe down below so you can check it out. Okay, I just checked, I just go on Shopify, I'm like, oh, I need to go put in the shipping label for this package. I got another order today. What's going on? I don't know, but I'm seriously so freaking thankful right now. Like, I don't even know what to say. All right, number 2. I cannot believe we have 2 hat orders in basically a day. That's insane. I'm so thankful. It's crazy. Okay, yes, I may have possibly overpaid for this box, but I was not prepared to ship hats. I don't know, I should have bought hat boxes, but I am more of a shoot, aim ready kind of guy, not like ready, aim, shoot. So I wasn't prepared, but it doesn't matter. I'm still getting these boxes out. I'm reusing boxes, so that's good. It's good for the planet. Now I'm gonna go buy some hat boxes because if I'm gonna be getting orders, I need to have hat boxes so that I can reduce the shipping costs, which would have higher profit margins and better for everybody. So that is it. I may have a couple more things I gotta do, I'm not sure, but I think I may end it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys wanna see the profit margins or the revenue for tomorrow, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. Our months haven't been super high, but with the new hat company coming in, I'm pretty excited to see the outcome with that because we have been getting reduced sales on our muzz boats here on Amazon. So we're hoping that the hat sales will, overcome that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. All right, guys, so starting with Shopify with our new hat sales at $40 yesterday. We did also $54.95 on eBay yesterday. We did $133.68 on our Quality Prints USA Shopify. And then we did $281.55 on our Amazon. So we totaled $510 yesterday, which is our highest day this month, which is very exciting. So we are at $47.86 this month. So I have a good feeling we could hit 15K at least. It would be really nice to get those hat sales up, but I'm so thankful it just started and I just got boxes coming. I got hat boxes coming. And I also, guys, before I forget to tell you, I did get light grip Cricut mats. So I will be adding that to a video, and I think in the next 3 days when they get here, and see the difference and then compare them for you guys. So to let you know if they're better or worse than the extra grip. So I'm pretty sure the light grip will be good. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. Peace out.